Today we are going to discuss about the first chapter of class 11, one-dimensional motion. One-dimensional motion means the object is moving only in a straight line. It can be along x-axis or y-axis or z-axis. So from the name of this chapter, we can understand this chapter is all about motion and rest. But what is motion? Simply, we can say anything which is moving with time is called motion, and which is not moving with time is in rest. But what if you are in a moving train and you are looking through the window? You will see everything is moving outside the window. But now look at the passenger sitting next behind to you. Is he moving? No, he is not moving respect to you. You cannot recognize his motion. But just think, he is also moving along with the train with the same velocity of the train. Probably he is running with the speed 100 km per hour. But for you, he is in rest. But now, someone who is standing outside the train in the ground, he would see your friend moving with the train with a high velocity. So from this discussion, we have now an idea the motion and the rest is always depends on the person or the object who is observing it. This observer is called as frame of reference in language of physics. So, from the discussion, we could understand to observe rest or motion in something, we need a point of view or frame of reference to locate the position of that object. Frame of reference can be two types. If the frame of reference is moving with a constant velocity or in rest, this type of frame of reference is called inertial frame of reference. All the Newton's law are valid in this frame of reference. But if the frame of reference is moving with an acceleration, means its velocity is changing with time, Newton's law are not valid in this non-inertial frame of reference.
To learn difficult concept of physics, chemistry and biology within few minutes to crack NEET and JEE with fun, like, share and subscribe our new YouTube channel ShantU. You will get conceptual videos, highly effective notes, short tricks, mock tests and much more. Hope we shall meet there.